हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल टिप्सी बॉन्ग ट्रैवलर्स। मैं श्रेया। अभी फिलहाल मैं स्कॉटलैंड ऑफ इंडिया मेघालय ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ। टू बी एग्जैक्ट मैं शिलोंग में हूँ। एंड इस वीडियो में आपके लिए होगा कि यहाँ अगर आप आते हैं आपको क्या खाना चूज करनी चाहिए और कहाँ कहाँ खानी चाहिए। नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बारे में बहुतों को पता भी नहीं है एंड प्रॉपर फूड व्लॉग्स भी नहीं है जहाँ पे आप प्रॉपरली जान सकते हैं कहाँ पे आपको ट्राई करनी चाहिए यहाँ के खाने। इस वीडियो में मैं एक कॉम्पैक्ट वीडियो बनाई हूँ जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि कौन कौन जगह आप चूज कर सकते हैं आपके डिनर, लंच या ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए। चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ इस यमी से फूड टूर शिलोंग की।
First spot in this food tour is Cafe Shillong, one of the best cafes of Shillong. While exploring scenic landscape of Meghalaya, you must explore this hidden culinary gem. Nested inside this building at the location of Laitum Kra, it's a cafe on the first floor. Once you're inside, the ambience and the vibe is too awesome. It's a peaceful kind of a cafe located in the city center of Shillong. The interior is very well done, even the staffs are very friendly and courteous. I really like the place, quite laid back. Even they offer outside sitting, especially for the ones who prefer smoking, while enjoying their coffee overlooking the bustling streets of Shillong. Cafe Shillong offers a wide range of food options like this today's menu. As you can see, this is their beverage menu. Price is quite decent, from 100 rupees to 260 rupees. Cafe Shillong also offers Shillong specialities and Northeast cuisines, which fascinated me the most. Item prices are ranging from 150 to 610 rupees. फर्स्टली हमने ऑर्डर किया है कैफे फ्रैपे, प्राइस्ड एट 210 रुपीज। प्रेजेंटेशन वाइज सिंपल है। द फ्रैपे वाज नाइसली डन। आई ओनली विश इट कुड हैव बीन स्लाइटली स्ट्रॉन्गर एज आई लव माय कॉफी स्ट्रांगली ब्रूड। नेक्स्ट थिंग वी गॉट इज अ लेमन आइस टी, प्राइस्ड एट 180 rupees. Presentation is kind of similar like the previous beverage. Refreshing, lemony, tangy, cold iced tea is just what you need in the summer afternoon. I really liked it, no complaints at all. In food, we've ordered their momos. Yes, it's a momo and their speciality. More looks like a typo, as Shillong is everyone's momos paradise. I had to try this one. Priced at 290 rupees, this pork momo, as they claim, is their best signature dish. And it's one of the best momos in the cities, which comes with a bowl of soup, which I felt tasted too average. Sorry for the horrible cutting skill, but the best way to have this ginormous momo by hand. I must say the momo tasted terrific. Juicy, succulent meat inside the fluffy, cloudy like bun. I would rate this item solid 8 out of 10. Another dish I've ordered from their Shillong specialty section is their Shillong smoked pork fried rice, priced at 380 rupees. As you can see, the presentation wise looked really nice and colorful. They not only offer fried rice but also they come with gravy combo with all sort of veggies and of course the smoked pork. Quantity wise enough for one person. चलिए try करके बताती हूँ. I really like the flavor profile as Meghalayan is known for high quality of pork. Smoked pork is their delicacy with dry, intense smoky flavor. But smoked pork's intense flavor profile is not for everyone. This woody, smoky pork making lip-smacking favorite to some who loves Khasi style of food. I would rate this dish a solid 8 out of 10. Cafe Shillong is not just a place to eat but a cultural hub where local and tourists meet. It's the essence of Meghalaya's fusion food scene. It stands out for its experience, ambience, a must-visit cafe for sure. My second spot in this food tour is going to be another favorite cafe which is very much popular among local and tourists is Dylan's Cafe. Located in the prime location of Tripura Castle Road, it's nearby to Police Bazaar. Dylan's Cafe is famous among music lovers since every element of this cafe speaks about Bob Dylan. The cafe pays tribute to the legendary singer Bob Dylan. Once you're inside, everything about this place screams of rock culture and Bob Dylan. I really love the ceiling collage of personalized hand-painted portraits and messages. After exploring the interior, चलिए देखते हैं food and beverages में क्या क्या है. They offer beer and wine over here. As you can see, they have all-day breakfast section, non-veg, veg starter option, even continental and oriental main course portion. And if you want to have something light, they have sandwich, burgers, pizzas, pastas, and it's a never-ending option. But they have beverages and desserts also. Kindly pause करके देख ले to see the prices and items name properly. Even they offer a variety of bakery goods. Firstly, हमने ऑर्डर किया rosemary roasted chicken priced at 399 rupees. Presentation wise it was quite good. Comes with two portion of chicken. One is chicken leg and the other one is the chicken breast piece. They also serve with mashed potatoes and sauteed vegetables. Quantity wise it is really good. Two person can easily share this meal. The flavors were spot on. I would rate this dish a solid 7 out of 10. Next dish I have ordered is a bacon wrapped sausages priced at 299 rupees. Presentation is really good, comes with 6 pieces, so no complaints about the quantity. They serve this item with mustard dip which really goes great with the item. The pork sausages and bacon is very good in quality. No wonder they recommended this item to us. So चलिए try करती हूँ और finally बताती हूँ taste में कैसी है. Juicy bacon and sausage is heavenly combination. Must try item. I would rate it 9 out of 10. Lastly, मैंने डेजर्ट में ब्लूबेरी चीज केक मंगवाया एज आई वॉज टेम्प्टेड व्हेन आई सॉ इट इन द डिस्प्ले काउंटर. प्रेजेंटेशन तो बहुत ही अच्छी है. इट्स एगलेस चीज केक प्राइस्ड एट 299 rupees. But it tasted very average, especially the blueberry flavors was not up to the mark. I would rate it 6 out of 10. All in all, if you're in Shillong, a great way to spend the evening would be definitely coming to Dylan's Cafe. Next spot will be Bread Cafe in Police Bazaar. Exact location is just opposite post office. The cafe is on the first floor. It's a small cozy cafe who has their own bakery making amazing baking goods. It's a fully air conditioned cafe with the interior of vibrant colors. The cozy first floor sitting with a view of the main road of the Police Bazaar. You can enjoy your time here with some quick bites. हम काफी लेट आज यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं इसलिए mostly the items are sold out. They offer a range of puff pastries, donuts, tarts, rolls and patties. चलिए, let's order something. Firstly, I got for myself a cup of cappuccino. Presentation wise, it looked really nice. My partner preferred having a fresh lime soda instead, but I felt it was too average. Nothing to brag about. For food, I was craving for a pizza, so I ordered a chicken sausage pizza. I didn't like the crust though, but the topping was too good. Cheese were perfectly charred and the chicken sausages were in good quantity. I would definitely recommend you to try this item, but the crust is not something great which they need to look upon. Bread Cafe is a good place you can visit while roaming around the main market area of Shillong. Next spot will be one of the renowned restaurant of Shillong, that is Lami Restaurant. Located in Police Bazaar area, this place stand out as one of the city's finest dining establishments. The ambience is too good. This restaurant specializes in multi-cuisine but mostly famous for their Chinese items. They even offer North Indian Thai delicacies. This is their menu. Kindly pause the video to see what they offering in terms of food and pricing. They offer a wide variety of Indian non-veg and veg food. Chinese food is also available in veg and non-veg options. काफी लॉन्ग एंड ब्रीफ मेन्यू है, बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस है, प्राइस रेंजिंग अराउंड फ्रॉम 150 रुपीज टू 500 रुपीज। चलिए कुछ ऑर्डर करती हूँ और मैं आपको बताती हूँ लामी रेस्टोरेंट की एक्सपीरियंस को। Firstly, we've ordered steamed momo. This is a chicken steamed momo priced at 205 rupees. What I really like is that how they have served it. The momo has been served in a banana leaf, which is quite interesting to see here. The portion size of the momos are quite good. I really like the juicy filling momo. Even the wrapping was too good. ज़्यादा thick wrapping नहीं थी। सेकेंड ऑर्डर हमने किया है उनका फेमस डिश कॉल्ड फिश लामी स्पेशल, प्राइस्ड एट 365 रुपीज। इट्स अ स्टार्टर प्रिपरेशन एंड क्वांटिटी भी बहुत ही अच्छी है। लेट्स ट्राई। आई रियली लाइक द आइटम, अ सॉलिड 10 आउट ऑफ 10। ग्रेवी एंड फिश की क्वालिटी वाज स्पॉट ऑन। Lami is a must-visit spot for all the traveler who wants to have good food with good ambience. My last spot in this food tour will be Red Rice. Shillong largely offers Chinese, Jado stalls, bakeries and few Indian restaurants. And out of all, one of them is serving unconventional food offering restaurant called Red Rice in Police Bazaar. It's a small restaurant with simple interior. This place serves local northeastern cuisine. If you want to explore tribal ethnicity of the states and its cuisine, then this place is your right choice. Let's check out the menu. What they offer in terms of food over here. This is their a la carte menu serving Naga food ranging from 140 rupees to 360 rupees. Kindly video pause करके देख ले अगर आपको आइटम्स के नाम और प्राइसेस अलग से देखना चाहते हैं तो। Naga cuisine के अलावा they are offering quite a bit Oriental and Indian cuisine as well. As you can see here, prices are affordable over here. So, specially I am here today to try out their authentic Naga cuisine. Won't be ordering something else. You might try something else from here, but मैं आज यहाँ पे नागा थाली ट्राई करूंगी। A Naga thali comprises with boiled rice and boiled vegetables. Chicken stew broth बहुत ही लाइट होती है, plain दाल है and sinju एक मणिपुरी सलाद। Iromba, an ethnic dish of Manipur made with fermented fish and mashed potato and king chilies. Soul stirrer, which is a light soup made with dried fish. I really love this wholesome meal. Though fermented dry fish is strong flavors are not for everybody. But if you love exploring the cuisine and food and culture, Red Rice is the go-to place for you.
आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी है। आपको इस जगह के बारे में और भी अगर कुछ जाननी होगी तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। ये शिलोंग की छोटी सी फूड व्लॉग है। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे जगह हैं, मैं ट्राई नहीं कर पाई ड्यू टू माई ट्रैवलिंग। अगर आपको और भी जगह के बारे में मुझे जानना है, यहाँ के बारे में, आप मुझे कमेंट्स में पूछ सकते हैं। फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, आपके लिए शायद ये फ्री होगा, बट मेरे लिए काफ़ी मोटिवेटिंग होती है अगर आप मुझे सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो। फिलहाल इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कोई और एक जगह लेके। टिल देन, बाय, टेक केयर।